Hi, my name's Lee Harrison from Epson. I'm head of sales for video projectors for the Middle East. And today we're on the Epson booth with our brand new PQ 20,000 lumen projector. It's a projector that's been launched at ISE. We've just taken delivery of demonstration units. So we do have demonstration units at NMK in our Dubai offices, which we can bring to you, but please come along today. There's Epson staff, there's also NMK staff on the booth, and we can help you with any questions regarding our new 4K range. That starts at 8,000 lumens and goes all the way up to 20,000 lumens. The projector that's behind me is our flagship product, the 20,000 lumen PQ 2220. Uses 3 LCD technology to give bright, vibrant images in a very, very small, compact chassis. So it's perfect for rental, it's perfect for fixed installations, it's nice and quiet so you can install it in museums. But as I said, come along on the Epson booth, speak to NMK or Epson staff directly. Thank you.